Meaning of heraldry.
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 Heraldry. Heraldry is the system of designing and displaying coats of arms and other heraldic devices. These symbols were used to identify individuals, families, and institutions in medieval Europe. Heraldry was also used to denote social status, accomplishments, and military achievements. The designs typically incorporate stylized animals, plants, shields, and other elements that are rich in symbolism. Heraldry enjoyed a resurgence in popularity during the early modern period, especially among the rising middle classes. Today, heraldry remains an important aspect of genealogy, history, art, and culture, and it continues to inspire new designs and interpretations.